Welcome back to Xauusd FS. This is gold analysis starting from a monthly time frame. When you look at this place, you notice that this is a monthly support level because when market comes here, break above it, come back and retest and move up. So this is a monthly support level and this is another monthly resistance level. And when market price comes here, price break above it to create this current monthly resistance level. So we have three levels on the monthly: the monthly lower zone, which is our support level, the monthly midway zone, which is our first resistance level, which has turned to support, and the monthly upper zone. So currently the price is at our monthly upper zone, signifying uptrend. So but the question is, now that we've seen that market is in an upper trend, how do we take advantage of this move? Because remember, trend is always your friend. Whenever you are trading on a forex or any currency pair or a metal or any pair at all, make sure that you join the trend. Don't flow against the river. So let's go to weekly time frame for further analysis on how we can join this movement. So on a weekly, this is a weekly time frame. You notice that market is moving. This is a weekly lower zone. This place is a weekly lower zone. This is a weekly lower zone. This is a weekly midway zone, and this is a weekly upper zone. Now, how do we arrive to this weekly upper zone? This is what we explain in my free Telegram channel. So if you join the link on my bio to my free Telegram channel, you will know how I found out this weekly upper zone. But currently, the market has broken above this weekly resistance level, and now the price is resting at monthly resistance level. So what do you expect to happen here? You expect this price to fall back to this weekly level now. This resistance has turned to support. When price fall back to this zone, we will now join this movement to at least monthly resistance level. So let's go down to daily for a further analysis. So on a daily time frame, you can notice the same thing, that market is moving in upper direction. How do I mean? You can see higher high, higher low, another higher high, another higher low, another higher high, and another higher low. Currently, the market has made another higher high. What do you expect this price to do? Expect this price to push back to this zone for a higher low. Once price come back to this zone, we will now do what? We pick our entry at this zone to at least to touch equal high, which is our monthly resistance level. So we will go to 4-hour time frame on how to pick this entry to join this movement to our monthly resistance level. So on our 4-hour time frame, let's look at it on our 4-hour time frame. So you notice in a 4-hour time frame, the market has broken above this resistance level. And what do you expect this market to do? You expect this market to do what? To fall back to this zone. From this place, we expect this price to fall back to this zone. You notice again that when price broke above this place, that this place has not been mitigated. So price need to come back to fill this gap in this zone. As price come back to fill this gap in this zone, we look for entry confirmation pattern, which is our bullish engulfing candle, or a morning star formation at this zone, or a pin bar. Once we see this price action on this zone, we will join this and take this market back to this level. So let me put our entry 2. So this is how we join this market. We join this market. You notice there's a red candle here. This red candle, price has not mitigated it. It's unmitigated. I expect this price to come back to this zone, this red candle zone, for our entry. So this is how the entry will look like. Just hold on, let me show you. So the entry will look like this. We'll enter this zone and we'll put our stop loss below this zone, and our first level target will be at the monthly resistance level, which will give us about 1:2. Point 4. So if we are risking $100, we are expecting $240 as our profit. So this is our analysis on our Xauusd, which is known as gold. Let's go to our next pair, which is GBPUSD. So GBPUSD, starting from a monthly time frame, you can see the monthly time frame that market is pushing up after making this significant drop to this zone. Let me show you in details. Now look at this price action here, that whenever price comes here, market, the buyers push it up. Whenever price comes here, the buyers push it up. They try and they push it up until they broke above it, but the buyers come inside again, pushing the market up, signifying that there is a buying pressure that is always moving this market up. So this place now is our monthly support level, which is our monthly lower level, and this place is our monthly resistance level, which is our monthly mid zone level, and this place is our monthly upper level, which is our monthly resistance level. Currently the market has come back here and it has moved to this level, test it in the first place, falling back to this support level again. Currently the market is moving to come back to test this monthly mid zone level. So now the question is, how do we take advantage of this move? Because in a monthly, the market has shown us that it's moving in upward direction. So let's go to weekly time frame to see how we can take advantage of this movement in a monthly. So this is a weekly time frame. Looking at the weekly time frame, you will notice that the market is now moving out of range, because previously when price come at this zone, e saw the buy pressure and moves up. Price come at this zone again, e saw a buy pressure and move up. Price fall back to this zone again, e witness a buy pressure and move up. And if you notice that thing, that on this weekly resistance level, that the price has come back to break above it, and there was a retest. If you look at this place, there is still a retest. And what do you notice now? The price is going back to this monthly level. So in a weekly, we notice that price is moving up. In a monthly, price is also moving up. So let's go to daily level to see how we can take advantage of this upwards direction. So in a daily level, we notice the same upwards movement. Starting from this zone, the price move here creating a high and come back here to create a higher low. The price move up again to create a higher high and fall back to create a higher low. Now after creating a higher low, what do you again to expect? The price to create a new higher high. So this price is moving at least to this monthly resistance level. But the question is, how do we join this price to drive it to this zone? So we wait for this price to come back to this zone. As the price is currently sitting at this zone, we wait for this price to come back to this zone. If we see a significant drop on this zone in a 4-hour time frame, that's where we pick up our entry from this zone. So let's go to our 4-hour time frame for further look. So on a 4-hour time frame, you notice one thing, that previously the market was in a downtrend in a 4-hour time frame. Let me show you what I mean. In a 4-hour time frame, market was doing lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Are you seeing it? Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, equal low, and a new high, breaking above this lower high, signifying a change in direction of this trend. So in a 4-hour time frame, the downtrend has finished and market has started a new trend, which is uptrend, align itself with the daily, the weekly, and the monthly. So in a 4-hour time frame, we have moved back to uptrend. So we are witnessing higher high, higher low. This is higher low. And the market has created a higher high. What do you expect to happen? I'm expecting to see a higher low. At any region here, this price come back to here to test it. And if I see a bullish engulfing candle here in a 4-hour time frame, I will join this movement. If I see a morning star formation here, I will join movement for a buy. Or if I see price rejecting at this zone, I will join movement for a buy. So where are we buying this market to? We are buying this market to drive it to our expected zone, which is the monthly resistance zone. So this is how our entry will look like at this zone. We'll buy it here and we'll put our stop loss below this zone. And our first level target, I will show you our first level target. Our first level target will be around this zone, a 1.29700 zone. That will be our first level target. But our overall target will be at the monthly resistance zone. Okay, let me use weekly to show you. Our overall target, we are targeting this price to reach this zone at 1.3. That's our immediate target at what? 1.3. We're expecting price to reach 1.31 at 1.31. That is our overall target. So this is my analysis for now. If you are new to this channel and you like what you saw, keep watching. I thank you for clicking on this video. Kindly subscribe to this channel so that you know whenever I drop a new content. Share this video so that we get to people who know that they may need this content in future. If you know that there's any pair you want me to look into, to analyze for you, kindly drop it in the comment section. I'll do justice to that. See you in my next episode.